How to fix Microsoft Teams error 657RX. So if it's happening to you and you are getting this error, it usually points to a sign-in or authentication problem with cached credentials, device trust, or your work or school account. So one of the first things you can do is to disconnect and reconnect your account. You can go ahead over here in your settings, which should just be found over here. Enter your settings, go ahead to accounts and orgs, and then you can do the access work or school, select your connected organization account, and then you try disconnecting that. Another thing you can do is to close your Teams and then clear your cached signed-in data if you are using it in your web. But if not, you can go ahead to your device settings. If you're using the Microsoft Team app, go ahead to your apps, installed apps, and then just search for Teams directly. What you're going to do is press this triple dot button, press an advanced options. You can go ahead and press repair, and then once that's done, reset as well. You can also go ahead and press on Windows R on your keyboard, Windows plus R, and then you can type in this, which is %app data, press on OK. You're going to go ahead and find your Teams. So scroll down to the bottom until you find Microsoft, and then choose Teams. What you're going to do here is to remove save entries, or you can clear the Teams cache by deleting the contents inside this Teams folder. Then finally, you can go to their official website where you can reinstall the latest Teams version or install it from the Microsoft Store. But those are a few options you can try if you are having this error. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.